Hi there, I'm Peter, the resource manager for the CNC Plasma Cutter, and I'm here to show you what you can do with this amazing machine. The plasma area comprises these storage racks, the computer control center, and the plasma table itself, with its 5 by 10 foot bed. The plasma cutter is designed to cut through many kinds of metal, including aluminum, stainless, and mild steel. And at maximum power, it can cut through material up to 1 inch thick. The control center guides the plasma torch along a precision gantry to cut the design you want. In order to generate the code the program reads, we use SheetCam to turn your vector-based design into that code. And SheetCam can also set the various material and tool parameters needed for a clean cut. In order to use the CNC plasma table, you'll need to complete a 2-part course. Part 1 involves learning the software and how to control the machine. Part 2 requires you to prove your proficiency by creating your own original project and burning it out with little supervision. If you can clear both parts, you'll be granted full access. Because the plasma table uses the same matter that the sun is made of, you shouldn't look at it directly while it's in operation. We have many different forms of eye protection here that you can use, including goggles, glasses, and welding helmets. For common passerby, we have UV shields on rollable wheels. Whenever you are using the table, you should never wear synthetic cloth of any kind. And always remember to use pliers because the metal is always hot. If you want big shapes of metal cut out quickly, this is the machine for you. You want cool signage, you want cool sculptures, replacement parts for your car, accurate life-size ancient dragonfly wings, use your CNC plasma cutter. Get trained today.